Wang Pai is like the purple makeup of the city, but he is afraid of showing dirt. Swollen. In fact, I think you can try this kind of makeup with a little gray tone and purple, and the whole makeup is clear. No swelling. At the same time, it is very advanced. It just so happens that I like to use Lancome very much recently. I heard that this makeup is big. Has the purple cake started to grow purple? Let's use it to draw together today. Before makeup, I still stacked a layer of lotion as usual. In fact, this face still has. Reduce swelling and massage a little. Because others are in summer, we still choose the base makeup with a little makeup, and I use it the most. Yes, it should be this bottle of Lancome with makeup. It's really easy to use. Let me show you its powder. It's in the makeup powder. I think it's already very delicate. Look at it. Open feeling. It just doesn't feel pink. I puff it a little bit. Let me show you. What you take is a very original skin texture. It's really natural. It's not a nice at all. Let's simply pat it open, which is what I want. This kind of natural and clear hanging does not have that kind of makeup foundation thickness. The key is what? So I use it all day. It won't. The dullness is really deep in my heart. Before setting makeup, let's use high first. Make a base of makeup water and pat this makeup off for it. Thank you. I still need it. Be patient a little bit from slowly. Smudge out. Then use this buff to rub it slightly and press it. It feels plain. This face is still. It's not so thrown away, and then the overall makeup effect I want is the face. A little wood and wood here will be cleaner. Let's use this new Lancome makeup purple cake. I have to say this packaging. Still beautiful. The bar and the powder is soft and glutinous, so it will feel better than other setting powders. If you feel moist, you don't have to worry about drying your face. I got stuck. Look at this powder. It's really too fine to see. It feels, and you can see, it's a wonderful kind of low saturation, warm purple. For that matter, don't just be naked. It's so face saving. After we take the powder like this, level it on the back of the hand and then apply it to the face a little bit. Take a pat and it will neutralize the yellow gas very well. How to mind this piece. It lights up all of a sudden, and the rest is me. I don't really want to. I clicked on the comparison and wanted to see this side. Obviously, the undecided side is more transparent. These special effects and warm tones are really popular with Mia people. The painting is that a school repair room has stopped, and at the same time it does not. I can say play, so it is very original sound and will not fail at all. If the three full faces are fixed, it will be that kind of fog. The face is covered with a clear feeling. In this way, your whole makeup face will be more advanced and delicate when you look at it. Can I take a closer look for you? Any. Powdery. The whole face is really super clean. If you are done with the whole face, you still feel nasolabial folds, and there are some unevenness in the tear furrows. And we can dip it in again. We fold the puff like this. It's the laminate with precision, because you get so close. If you look at it, there is actually that kind of purple glitter in this powder. In this way, if you put it on your face, It will have a diffuse reflection effect. Visually, it will make your gullies puff up. It also looks like your face is flatter. It won't be more three-dimensional. Go up here too. The force here is enough. A little heavier than this. Now, this face is really full, and I think it does a good job with makeup, but yes, if you belong to the kind that produces oil and sweats a lot, it is okay for you to use it to replenish makeup. Let's rotate and take the powder like this, and then press it on the nose and the corner of the mouth to take a look. It's really just a pat of soft focus. After the pores are transformed, there is a feeling of being weakened. This dermabrasion feels real. Yes, it is very strong. And then it is this powder. It's really very fine. Even if you stack it infinitely, it won't work. If there is any powder feel, then there is our makeup part. Let's first draw the eyebrows with a dark brown. Draw the eyebrow shape and fill it in for him. The pointed eyebrows are softer, and then use this kind. See, eyebrow pencil. Give me the details. He can make up in a way that does not leak hair. I tried eye makeup first. This edge. You can't change the eyes again. This color still needs to be primed for the eyelids first. Let's use this one again. A little pink purple lay flat on our eyelids. Three queens. Paste a false eyelash with distinct roots to replenish the outer eyeliner. What about the bad guy with the sagging face? I'm going down here with a fuchsia glue pen. Sketch it and give me a full one. A little full aegyo cell. Brighten the aegyo cell with a very white aegyo cell pen, slightly. Brush this eyelash, put a little sequin on the eyelid. Use pointed eyes, the hole is a little concave, and put some sequins to see. Get up and feel full. Then also, to be clearer, let's superimpose the makeup blush on the side of the face. Right now. Make a connection, nod today and brighten it up for him, and the result will make him obviously lose his lip shape. Give him a blur. I still chose the same color for the lipstick. If you stack it a little, this color will be brighter.